Words that begin with pl. Engelse woorde wat met pl begin. Herhaal elke woord na my. Play. Plant. Plug. Plus. Plum. Place. Plow. Plate. Plan. Plain. Well done everybody, let us read some sentences. Kom ons lees 'n paar sinne. This is a plum. I see a plate. We play outside. Look at the plug. This is a plane. The plant is big. I see the plan. Well done everybody, you make me so proud. Ek is so trots op julle. Lees die woorde, read the words. Play. Plug. Plum. Plant. Plan. Place. Plate. Plain. Baie mooi maats, kom ons kyk hoe vinnig julle kan lees. Let us see how fast you can read. Goed, kom ons lees 'n bietjie vinniger. Let us read a bit faster. Well done, let us read some sentences. Kom ons lees nog sinne. Now repeat each sentence after me. Here is the plug. I see the plane. Give me the plate. One plus one is 2. Here is the plow. We like to play. The plant is green. This is a nice place. Well done everybody, baie mooi maats, ek is trots op julle. Next time we will learn a new sound. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time everybody, please take care.